In this question, you're asked to divide fractions. Dividing fractions is very similar to multiplying fractions with one key difference. In this case, we have negative 4/5 divided by 16/15. In order to do this division, we need to multiply by the reciprocal. So if you're dividing by a fraction, that's the same as multiplying by the reciprocal. So this can be rewritten as negative 4/5 times 15/16. Notice that we took the reciprocal. It was 16 divided by 15. It's now 15 divided by 16. In order to then complete this, we multiply 4 times 15, which is 60. We multiply 5 times 16, which is 80. Because one of the fractions is negative and the other is positive, the overall answer is negative. However, 60 and 80 have a common factor, which is 20. So if we divide both by 20, we find that this is equivalent to negative 3, 60 divided by 20, over 4, 80 divided by 20. So the final answer is negative 3/4. This is a similar example, except here we don't have two fractions. We have a fraction divided by a whole number. But you'll recall that any whole number can be written as a fraction by dividing it by 1. Now we repeat the same process. So what we really have is negative 11 divided by 2 times negative 1/2. So we went from 2 over 1 to 1 over 2. We took the reciprocal just like above. We now multiply the tops and multiply the bottoms. So we get 11 divided by 4. Because both fractions are negative, our resulting answer is positive. In this case, 11/4 is the simplest form, and we don't need to simplify further.